Welcome to our channel, and subscribers, thank you for being a part of our YouTube family. And today we're going to be doing some knotless braids. And here I'm starting off by detangling my hair, and I'm going to part it and section it off so that tomorrow I can go ahead and start and put the braids in. So let's get started. So the struggle is real with this parting. Like, it just seems like I cannot get this part straight whatsoever. I'm using two mirrors and either my head's crooked or I just cannot part straight. I don't know which one it is right now. I'm so frustrated. I'm still parting the same part. Someone please help me. So here I'm going in and I'm starting to braid, and then I'll finish it off with a twist. So that way my roots stay detangled and flat. Now I'm just going to continue to detangle the rest of my hair and struggle to part it, and hopefully I get it done before I fall asleep. Now this is the last one that I have to do, and you can tell by my facial expressions, I'm getting so happy because I know I'm done and I can finally go to sleep, and then tomorrow I can start braiding. Now here I'm starting to separate the hair because I am using 3 different colors of hair. Please don't judge me. It's the hair that I had laying around the house and I was just like, I'm finally going to use it. But I section it off, and once I section it, I just go ahead and start braiding. And I'll show you a clip of me sectioning the hair off a little bit later. So I got a little help today. She finishes my braids off since they're so long. And then that helps me be able to move faster to get the rest of them done. So I used 84 inches of hair, but I cut it in half. And each half, I made 3 braids out of it. And from those 3 sections, I separated them even further into 5 sections. So when I had that section, I split it in half. One half, I made 3 pieces. The other half, I made 2. And that's how I got the thickness of each braid. I am finally done, and I'm go ahead and rod up the ends so that they can be curly. And then after I do that, I'm going to dip it in some boiling hot water, and I will let them dry overnight and come back the next morning to show you the results. It's the next morning, and I'm starting to unroll the rods, and you can see the curls. They are very big, but that's the way that I did want them. And once I unravel them, I'm pretty much good to go, and I'll just go right ahead to work. Here are the final results. Thank you for watching.